Hi, Kenna. It's Grandma. Would you like to read a story with me?
I love you always. To Kenna from Grandma. In case you ever wonder in the busy of our days exactly how you're loved by me, I think you'll be amazed. I love you first thing wide awake and nighttime sleepy too. And every minute in between, I love all the ways of you. I love you storytelling tales to friends all gathered round, and make believing on your stage in costume, cape, and crown. I love you underneath the sea and side by side on land. I love you riding piggyback and walking hand in hand. I love you grumpy and upset, excited, sassy, mad. I love you cartwheel joyful and under blankets sad. I love you far away from home and cozy close to me. I love you quiet in your thoughts and singing loud with glee. I love you playing peekaboo and swinging feet to sky. I love you face up in the sun, watching clouds go by. I love you covered in the snow and splashing in the rain. I love you mighty mountain strong and achy sick with pain. I love you moody mischievous, bending rules your way. Because my love is longer still than any longest day. I love you at the age you are and every year you grow into more the special someone I forever want to know. Top to bottom, inside through, you're the certain of my days. No need to ever wonder more. I love you always. The end.
Thank you so much for joining me for this story. Don't forget, I always love you. Bye-bye, Kenna. We'll see you soon. Mwah! Love you.